recent outbreak of whooping cough in the western part of our state has health officials across North Carolina on alert. The virus most associated with an intense cough that could last for weeks generally impacts infants. More than 2 decades ago, a vaccination was created for whooping cough, but recently adolescents and adults have been getting it. It's led doctors to question whether the vaccine needs to be given to a person multiple times.
There's been a push to try and revaccinate adolescents and adults in the form of a Tdap, so that goes along with the tetanus boosters.
Those tetanus boosters are supposed to be given every 10 years. Whooping cough is very contagious and can spread quickly, especially at preschools and elementary schools.